Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to pin a message on Telegram, whether you're managing a group chat, running a busy channel, or just trying to keep an important note handy for others. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make sure your most crucial messages stay visible at the very top of your chat so nobody misses them. So let's jump right in. First, let's find the chat or channel where you want the message to stay pinned. Just open up Telegram and navigate to the group or channel you're working with. Take your time here, the platform can be full of conversations if you're in a lot of groups, so double-check you're inside the right place before moving on. For example, maybe you manage a community for study tips, and you want to pin the weekly schedule. Or perhaps you're running a family group and want everyone to see a birthday announcement. Selecting the correct spot is essential because your pinned message will stand out front and center there for all members. Next up, you'll want to choose the message you'd like to pin. If you're on your phone, all you need to do is tap and hold the particular message you want everyone to pay attention to. Hold your finger there for a quick moment until some options pop up. On desktop, you'll just right-click the message instead. It's almost like highlighting an important passage in a book, but this way, everyone in the group gets to see what you've marked. Maybe it's a set of group rules, event details, or a helpful link. Whatever it is, make sure it's the message you want to showcase. Once you've selected your message, look for the pin option in the menu that appears. Go ahead and tap or click it. This part is pretty straightforward, but sometimes you might have other menu options or actions crowding the screen. If you don't see pin right away, just scroll through the available actions. Pinning is your way of telling Telegram, hey, keep this message up top for everyone. When you hit pin, a confirmation window will pop up with some handy options. Here, where Telegram gives you a little more control, and it's worth slowing down to understand what each choice does. You'll see an option to notify all members. Check this box if you want everybody in the chat or channel to get a push notification about the pinned message. I highly recommend using this for important announcements like changes to group rules or urgent updates because it increases the chances that nobody will miss it. But feel free to leave it unchecked if the pin is more for convenience, such as a recurring meeting link. On the same menu, you'll also see an option to unpin. This is useful later if your pinned message becomes outdated or irrelevant. It's just as simple to unpin as it was to pin, so don't worry if you need to switch things up in the future. Now, to seal the deal, confirm by tapping pin again. After a moment, the pinned message will appear as a clickable bar right at the top of your chat window for all members. Think of it like a sticky note you've put on the fridge, easily seen, always accessible, and guaranteed to catch attention. Whenever someone taps on the bar, they'll jump straight back to the original message in the chat, making it super easy to reference details or revisit instructions without scrolling forever. And that's all it takes to pin a message in Telegram. If you ever want to update your pin note, just repeat these steps with a new message. It's a quick and efficient way to run a group chat smoothly or keep information prominent. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.